give you the row number, right? For example, here I have several values, right? I have several values. I can say match, right? Match 33 in this range A129. Match this one. Again, here there's an exact match, right? You give 0. Yeah, same like the false, right? So actually, my type of false is still the same thing because 0 is treated as false. So this means exactly matching this one, right? So you do this one, then I will search here, give you this row 3. They say this is the row 3. So then the index, right? Index, what I mean is, if you have you say index, right? Here you have a table, right? You have a table run. It's just a thing. And then if you say 3, 2, right? Very simple one. What's that is? Let's just go to that table, give you the cell at row 3, column 2. So that's the index. Index is easy. It's just give me the cell at in this table, right? You give a run, several column rows. This. But how to get this one? Normally people just because we want the dynamic thing, right? We don't want to hard code this. So normally people use the match, right? Match and this work together. So match, you give for example, you search for some ID, right? Then you give the run. Yeah, something like this. So then you search for the ID. For example, tells you this ID is at row 3. Row 3. Then you can search for some pattern, column 2, and then you give this to index. So yeah, index and match very often they work together because this just give you whatever you want to search for the column number, right, the row number, and once you get this number, you put here, right? This is the table, right? The run, and then this gives you the cell. So this is how you do the.
Professor, can you repeat again what does the 0 means?
0, right?
Yeah.
Yes, 0 again. 0 means exactly match.
Oh, okay.
Because here you have 33, right? I just want to search this row of this 33. I can also do something like the approximate with the run. But for this assignment, yeah, you just use the exact one. Because you want to search given an ID, right? Search for the student's name, something. The ID is exactly matched. So therefore you just give a 0 there. And use index to do this. Hopefully it helps a little bit. I think in the afternoon, lots of people